Wow, wow, wow. What's up, guys? I'm Shanelle and welcome to my channel. So I have been seeing videos all over the interwebs about this old herb that's reigniting called Ambunu. So I had to try it. I'm going to be another guinea pig for you guys. If you have hair like mine, which tangles in a second, this should be really great for you. So if you saw my last video on hair, I used the D38 Denman brush, which was amazing at getting through my hair, but still, I had to take my time with it. This is supposed to help that issue. So I got this from Chebe USA, which is a partner of Sahel Cosmetics, which is where you get most of like the Chebe and the Ambunu from, so you know it's authentic, it's not a fake herb that they're throwing in the bag. And I will post a link for this down below. But what I want to do today is try it as a shampoo, a standalone shampoo, and see how that goes. And then I also want to try it as a standalone deep conditioner. And then that will determine how I use this herb in the future. This is so simple. It's just hot water, you stir it, and you put it in. So, like, who can complain about that, right? So, apparently what you do is you take a teaspoon of the herbs and a liter of hot water and let it sit for 10 minutes. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's get into it.
Just in case you don't already know, the Ambunu herb is found in Chad, Africa. It was used in ancient times as a moisturizing shampoo to cleanse the hair and to easily detangle. I chose to use the leaves instead of the powder because it frankly was cheaper and it came with free shipping, and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, so I wanted to get a small amount. Plus, the leaves are easier to strain than, the fine granules of the powder. So here we go.
We are back. So I ended up letting this sit for a good 50 minutes. It still doesn't feel that slimy to me, but it's starting to get a little bit slimy. So I am going to just separate my hair, start with the roots. I have a little bit separated already that I put in this container. I wish I had something bigger, y'all, but I don't. So this is what it is for right now. And just see how it goes,
So I start off by rubbing the liquid on my scalp and then pulling it down through the length of my hair. And at the same time, I'm trying to pull out all the shed hair, which is coming out super easily. But this is a watery mess, you guys. This is just for filming purposes, but I would not use this product while not being in the shower. Also, it smells like black tea, which is kind of comforting to me, but I know some people really are not a fan of smells. However, once it's washed out, the smell does not linger, so it's not something that you have to worry about. For me, I'm looking for this to just not help me with the stress that it is doing my hair every wash day. I want to be able to detangle fast and easily and to see less breakage and less shed hair. So this is supposed to help you with seeing less hair fall and also with detangling. So I'm paying attention at every step to see how beneficial it is.
Okay, y'all, I'm impressed, I have to say. In this one section, like, usually my hand gets stuck up here. The fact that I can't even get down to this part, it's pretty incredible. And just how easy that separates, real dope.
So I'm noticing the more slimier it gets, the easier it is to detangle. So definitely next time will be less water.
Okay, I am back, you guys. So far, so good. This thing is like a breeze to use. After I put the first round in and went through each section, I washed it out in the shower and I did it again because I want to make sure I really got to my roots because it feels so moisturizing. I want to make sure that it is also cleansing. So that was cool. I did that a second time. Super easy to get through. And then I just poured the remainder, or the majority of the container, because I started to pour it and then the bits started falling on my head. I poured the remainder in the container on my head so I could deep condition. So what I'm going to do is head back under the head back in my if you watched my last video about hair, I have a portable steamer sauna room, so I'm gonna head back in there with my whole body and do my deep condition. God, another thing I was thinking was this thing is so watery. I feel like a liter of water is too much. As the products start to cool down, I start to feel more of the slipperiness, but I feel like if I use less water, I would definitely feel more of that slipperiness. All that water really isn't necessary. It also smells like black tea, just so you guys know, if you're funny about smells. Yeah. And still, the combination of the two definitely is easier in getting through my hair, which is really awesome. Dream come true pair, yo. And again, just like the Ambunu, I will put the link for the D38 Demo Brush in my description, in the description below. I could just brush through large sections of my hair. It's crazy. Dude. Amazing. Okay guys, I am back and I'm down to the last section of my hair. See, I've done this braid. It even looks longer than it usually does. Thoroughly detangled. But the ease and the quickness of this, I'm trying to tell you. So, I just wanted to show you real quick. throw my products in. Okay, so now all the products are in. D38. I mean, I have never been able to just, especially after I've washed my hair, product, whatever, just boom. All the way through. Incredible. Yeah, I am so excited. So excited. Fastest wash day ever. Fastest wash day ever. Look at this. Make sure they're not buttoned yet. Everything is already detangled. Sorry about that, guys. I had an important phone call, but now I am back with my final thoughts. So I really love this product. I would love to try it again with half a liter of water because a liter seems like it's too much. It takes too long for it to get slippery and it's just too thin and watery and it makes a whole mess. Even though generally when I'm washing my hair, I do it in the shower. I definitely don't mind it as a standalone product, but it's still something I have to get used to. So I'll be definitely adding it to everything I use, probably my shampoo, to deep conditioners, and see how they work well together. I definitely will be using it with my henna mixture next week when I get rid of these grays up in here. It definitely is time. But I really do love how it's cut my wash day in half. I love how beautiful and clear my scalp feels. I also will be straining it the next time as well. So I'll probably let it sit for a half hour and then strain it out and just use the liquid to stop from any of the bits falling in your hair because I did have to pick out some at the end. But I think it washed really well. I think it was great as a conditioner as well. And maybe the whole product thing is me just, being used to feeling something thicker on my hair. And then also I don't want to mix this up with a straight shampoo cleanser and feel like this is more of a co-wash. Even though my hair feels very clean, I don't know if it will continue to feel that way over a longer time of use. So it'll be good to switch things up, but thank God it's really easy to make and it works really simply. So I love this. I think you guys should really try it. Again, the links are down below for the Ambunu and the D38 brush, which is like a power combo, in the description. And thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have any other herbs and stuff that you're a fan of that you think I should try. And I will see you next time. Bye.